Okay, surprise, surprise, surprise. There is something that has just happened. Now, first and foremost, here on my computer, I want to now analyze Nvidia. Why you should buy or invest in Nvidia, why you should buy Nvidia or add Nvidia to your portfolio. Very, very important. So many things has actually happened, and I tell a lot of my students and my investors why they should buy some certain level of a stock. So this is what it is. Just yesterday, before the end of the market, and in fact, it was after the end of the market, Nvidia touched down $1,000 in shares, $1,000 per share. This is amazing. This is amazing. And of course, you need to know what is actually driving this Nvidia and why I am buying Nvidia and why I will continue to buy Nvidia. What I normally do is that on my portfolio, I always leave a reserve because cash is powerful in investment. Very, very powerful. Why you should have cash as a reserve is that when opportunity brings itself, you'll be able to pick it immediately. That is why I apply the value investing strategy. I also apply the 334 strategy as well in investing. It is wonderful because when you want to invest in any company, you use dollar cost averaging strategy. That is where you have the 334 method or strategy to be able to invest. But let's see what is actually going on in Nvidia and why I am buying it, why I think you too should invest, because when you follow the best analysis, you will always get the best result. This is what is actually going on. A lot of analysts around Nvidia trying to to analyze what they are actually doing, because currently Nvidia remains the biggest player in the AI industry, artificial intelligence industry, and because of their investment in their production of computers, especially the graphic processing unit for gamings and many others, Nvidia remains the best. Look at the price history and performance of Nvidia. You can see what has been going on. Last year around May, the Nvidia was actually trading at $311, continued to move in June 430, in September 484, 85, just like that, 405. And it moves in January it hit 500. I think it was in January or February when Nvidia touched 2 trillion market cap. It was whooping, and right now look at where Nvidia is. And today you can see the price of Nvidia right away. It has touched down $1,000 per share. Yes, I have a lot of them, and then you can see what is actually trading at this moment. Though the market is closed, you can also buy pre-market. So this is what you can always see with a big company like this. And when you are spending your money with this company, you do that with every confidence. However, don't forget to study and read about the fundamentals of this company, which I'm actually doing for you right now. So I'm not going to touch almost everything here, but let me just check the valuation of this stock. Let me check the valuation. You can see below fair value. It has already gone below fair value, significantly below fair value. No, price to earnings versus PS. No, price to earnings versus industry. It has gone far. Price to earnings versus fair ratio. Analyst forecast. It has disappointed analyst forecast. I so much love this company. When analysts give their analysis, there must be some form of adjustment. You can't just conclude because One, you project as an analyst, you project because of what you've seen, and of course, if you are good, you will be accurate in your analysis, like what I'm doing for you right now, and then you take the step and you make good amount of money. Currently, Nvidia is trading at 83.1% overvalued level, and it will continue to grow. It's not going to come back where it was. Nvidia is not going to come back to where it was last year. Not at all. Not at all. These are companies that you watch their growth. You also decide to follow them. Yes, you also decide to follow them. So these are what you should know about this Nvidia. The below fair value, it has gone below fair value significant, it has gone below fair value. This is the fair value and an estimate of what the stock price is worth today based on the cash flows the company is expected to generate in the future. It has gone above this. This is what the company actually projected to get this year, but they have gone. In fact, they have even disappointed themselves, because not what they projected is what they have gotten above what they projected. So why should you have Nvidia in your portfolio? Mind you, if you don't have the complete amount to buy Nvidia at $1,000, at $1,000 or $1,000 plus dollars, you can buy a fraction. This is why whatever I'm sharing with you is so amazing, because you must not have that 1,000. If you are in Nigeria, $1,000 is almost 1.6 million to buy just one unit. Of course, it's worth it. However, you have 200,000, 500,000, 600, or you have 100,000 naira in equivalent of dollars, you can buy Nvidia. Even with $50, you can buy Nvidia. $20, you can buy Nvidia. Yes, the essence of it is that you need to grow your investment base. You can't jump in once. You have to grow it one after the other, stage by stage. That is why you need to also apply the dollar cost average. Whenever the opportunity comes, you put in the money. It comes again, you put in again. Before you know it, you have grown your portfolio. So there are a lot of things that you need to also see in Nvidia, but the future growth of Nvidia is projected to be massive. Look at it. The Nvidia forecast earning growth, 24% per year. It's above it right now. You can see, but the earning 24% and forecast to grow faster than the US market. It is already, in fact, it has beat all the future growth. It has beat it, and it's still continuing to grow. Look at the projection. This is 2024. You see, this is the earnings and revenue growth forecasts for next year till 2027. Just see what is actually going on, and it's going to happen that way. The earnings is going to grow, the revenue is also going to grow. So what are you waiting for before you buy this particular company? I don't waste time. I've already added it, and I want to make sure I have up to 5 units or 10 units of Nvidia before 2027. So that is how you grow your portfolio and know exactly what you are doing. If you want to use the past performance to determine if you will buy, you see what it has also done in the past. You can see the analysis of the past performance. Yes, look at it in 2014. Nvidia was just 11% profit margin, 13% in 2015, 12%, 19% in 2017. 2018, there was a whopping growth. Even the cash flow was also flowing. 2019, there was a little drop. 2020, of course, it affected almost every industry. That is the COVID-19 period, the era. So in 2021, there's a growth. 2022, there's also a massive one. And then 2023, you can see how it's going 2024 has become one of the highest. So if you are using the past performance to determine whether you should invest in such a company, this is what you can always do. So in my next video, I'm going to share with you how you can use the limit strategy to enter such investment, to enter stock market. Limit strategy, you have to use that limit method or strategy to be able to buy, so that you don't buy too much high and after which the stock will then drop. You need to use that limit strategy to buy your stock, so that when people are shouting, oh, I bought very high, you have already entered at the best point. So make sure you are following me. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well to do so. Subscribe, click the notification bell. You can like or share the link with your friends and family members, because the essence of this is that you need to build a financial base for yourself and for your generation. So make sure you subscribe, and of course you can also join my mentorship class, where I mentor people who want to make investment or stock investment their career. A lot of people just come here on daily basis because the market open Monday to Friday. People come here, make money, they move. So it's a career for those who understand, who use the tactics. So if you want to do that, on the description of this video, you will see my WhatsApp number or my email address. You can message me or you can chat me up. See you in my next video.